This is chapter 1H, positioning your fingers and hand. This is something that I see a lot of people doing when they're first beginning. Let's just play, this is a C chord right here. And what they'll try to do is they'll try to straighten their fingers like that. And I'm saying, don't do that. Play with your fingers on an angle like this. Your fingers will appreciate you a lot more. There's already going to be some pain from starting to play the guitar, but this hurts your fingers even worse. To do it like that, it provides muscle pain. So play like this, play them on a bit of an angle so that they're nice and comfortable. And also adjust the back of your hand at the same time so that you can play comfortably in your back. If you're playing the E chord, you know, I play like this. F chord, I put my thumb like this. It just depends however you want to play it, but there are some more comfortable positions for putting your fingers and the back of your hand on your guitar. Thanks so much.